Right, so this is a DMI install guide. If you have an A4 B8.5, an A4 B8 and an A5 B8.5, DMI system is a very popular mod now. We're just going to show you how to mount this if you have the AFS system, as the non-AFS way will not work on this. So first of all, what we do is we drill an M4 hole just on the cradle of the lens holder. We do this when we've got the lenses out, when we're doing the clear lens mod. What we then want to do is we want to place the DMI board into the holder. We then put the screw through the hole and screw that down and hold it tight against there. What we also like to do is we like to put a spacer in between them. Reason for this is we don't want the PCB touching the metal directly. These spacers, they're available from anywhere. We can supply them at an extra cost, but you do need to tell us that you have got AFS lighting before you buy the kit, so we know to send you a couple out.